Hi, welcome to the mathscenter.com. In this video, we are going to look at question number 3 of the recent IGCSE Add Maths paper. The subject code is here, 0606. The session is November 2021, the recent exam. And this is paper 1-3 that we are looking at. Again, it's Add Maths, Okay, and I'm going to be looking at question number 3 in this video. Let me see how much I can do, right? I don't want to have an extremely long video, but at least maybe I might want to split it into 2. But anyway, we'll get that sorted out in a second. The other thing is, if you hear a snore, right? It's my son. He's a 10-year-old Rottweiler. He's beside me, and he's fast asleep, and he tends to snore. So just bear with me, okay? It's heartbreaking to actually ask him to leave the room, right? Okay? Okay. Please visit the mathscenter.com. Okay, for your IGCSE maths needs and physics needs, A-levels and IB and so on. Please just give this video a like and share as much as you can. Okay, follow me on Facebook. Okay, good. Now this question, number 3. Solve cotangent squared 2x minus pi over 3 equals to 1 over 3. Careful, read the question very carefully. Cotangent squared something equals to something. And they tell me that x is in radians, good. And they also tell me that x is between 0 and pi. What do you notice? Read the question carefully, right? X is between 0 and pi. 0 is included in the domain, pi is not. Okay? 0 is included in the domain and pi is not. So, if you don't like the word domain, you can use the word support. But we only use the word support when you go into higher levels of mathematics. But let's just use the word domain. Everybody knows that what I'm talking about. Okay. So here I have cotangent squared is this. Let's start slowly, right? Cotangent squared 2x minus pi over 3 is 1 over 3. Therefore, cotangent 2x minus pi over 3 can be plus or minus 1 over. Is that good? Yep. Okay. Take the square root. I have plus or minus. So the point being, don't forget the plus or minus, right? Cotangent is not very useful for us, right? So let's go ahead and write it as tangent. 2x minus pi over 3 equals to square root of 3 here. Let me write tangent 2x minus pi over 3 equals to negative root 3 on this side, right? Remember, cotangent is 1 over tangent, right? Or if you don't like that, tangent is, maybe I should write it here. Cotangent theta is 1 over tangent theta. That's it, right? So I've got tangent 2x minus pi over 3 is, take the multiplicative inverse of this. It's just square root 3. What else do you need? This square root 3 is a very friendly number. Okay, so let's draw our 90 degrees right triangle. Okay, let's draw a 90 degrees right triangle. Let's put in 30, and let's put in 1, and let's put in 2, and let's put in square root 3. So I have 60. Everything looks good. Okay, everything looks good. So we are done there. Remember this thing here, right? 60 is what? Pi over 30 is what? Pi over 6. Okay. So let's settle the positive part here first, and then we'll look at the negative part. Okay. So first thing is locate the quadrants. CAST. Right. Positive. So tangent is positive here and here. Right. So let's indicate the angles. Excellent. Okay. So now what's my reference angle? Look at the picture, right? The reference angle, I'll write it down here. The reference angle is what? Pi over 3. Don't write 60 because we're dealing with radians, right? So it's pi over 3. So let's write our answers down. Okay. 2x minus pi over 3. The first angle is just pi over 3. The second angle is what? Pi. Okay. This is pi plus pi over 3 will be what? Correct? So, not hard, right? The first one is just pi over 3. No tricks there. The second one is just pi plus pi over 3. 1 plus 1/3 is what? 4 over 3. So, now we need to clean this up. Let me write it here, okay? Let me write it here. I'll come back to this later. First angle, let's see, we have 2x minus pi over 3 equals to pi over 3. So 2x is 2 over 3 pi. Okay, bringing the pi over 3 to the right side. So x equals to first answer. Pretty good. Okay, then what happens? 2x minus pi over 3 will be what? 4 over 3 pi. Right? So I have 2x equals to 4 over 3 plus 1 over 3, right? 1 and 1/3, I have 5 over 3 pi. Okay? And then I have x equals to 5 over 6 pi. So I have one answer here, pi over 3, and one answer here, 5 over 6 pi. Okay? Maybe we should go ahead and finish it. Let's go ahead and finish it, right? Maybe if I can just squeeze it in here. Okay? Tangent 2x minus pi over 3, negative root 3. We have already taken care of positive root 3. Now it's negative root 3. So I have CAST. Tangent is negative here and here, right? So let's indicate the angles. One of these and one of this. Okay? So we have got the reference angle doesn't change, right? So I have 2x minus pi over 3. Okay, will be equals to the first one. The first one here will be pi minus pi over 3, which will be, right? This one here. This thing here is, the whole thing is pi minus the reference angle. We have 2 over 3 pi. So let me work that out first. So 2x equals to 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3 is just 1. So I have this thing here. Therefore, my x is pi over 2. Okay? Now, and then you will find that if you plug in this thing here, the one in the fourth quadrant, you will find it would have gone bigger than pi. We don't need that. But don't forget, you can also consider negative angles. So if you go, remember this, when you go clockwise, you get a negative angle. So we can write 2x minus pi over 3, okay, will be equals to negative pi over 3. This angle here. So 2x will be equals to, what happens? Bring the pi over 3 this side, it becomes 0. So I have x equals to 0. So I've done the whole problem. We have got 4 numbers that you need. Pi over 3, 5 over 6 pi, where is it? Pi over 2 and 0. And for this you get 5 points. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Give this video a like and follow me on Facebook. Share as much as you can. Please visit themathscenter.com. We've got lots and lots of information there for you. Okay, thank you very much for watching.